Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to accept a Steam gift. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Steam interface where you can access all your games and community features. This is where we'll begin the process of finding and accepting any gifts that have been sent to you. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Steam window. You'll notice your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several profile-related options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find several options for managing your Steam content and settings. Click on Inventory to access your Steam inventory. This is the central hub where Steam stores all your items, including games, trading cards, and importantly for our purpose today, any gifts that have been sent to you. After your inventory loads, stay in that same right panel and locate the More button. Click on it to expand additional inventory options that aren't immediately visible. From the menu that appears, select View Gift History. This specific section is dedicated to managing all gifts that have been sent to your account, whether they're pending, accepted, or declined. Now this is where you'll be able to see any pending Steam gifts waiting for you. If you have a gift available, you'll see an Accept Gift button displayed right there. Simply click on it to claim your gift and add it to your library. The game or item will then be instantly available for you to download and enjoy. Although I don't have any pending gifts right now, to demonstrate the final step, you'll know exactly what to do when someone sends you a gift. The Accept Gift button will be clearly visible and ready for you to click. And that's it. You now know exactly where to go and what to click when someone generously sends you a Steam gift. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.